In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a research paper using Jenni AI. So before we begin, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment where you can check Jenni AI completely for free for yourself. So make sure to click that link and let's get started. Now, of course, if you want to use this tool called Jenni AI, here's how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is, of course, create a new document where everything starts. So I'm going to just go new and then press document over here. And as you can see, it's going to ask you what you are writing today. So I'm just going to type in, I am writing a research paper regarding, and let's then write in, for example, importance of water consumption in adults. There we go. Let's say this is your topic. Now, you can then choose if you want to have no outline whatsoever, or if you would like a standard outline, so with standard headings, such as introduction, methods, results, etc., or if you want creative headings, where AI will generate headings based on your document prompt. Now, this one is the most interesting, so for this instance, I'm going to go with this one and press Start Writing. Now, within a few seconds over here, as you can see, there we go, there's already a title generated and then some headings as well, which let's check them out. The importance of water consumption in adults. Pretty straightforward title. Of course, it would require some adaptation. However, it's a great basis to go off of. Then you can see it has introduction, importance of adequate water intake, psychological function of water, etc., etc. So it's a pretty good outline to start with. Of course, you can change it whenever you want. Now, in here, you can then just start writing, but this is where Jenni comes in and the basic function of the Jenni AI tool. So if you go under introduction over here, and if you click on that, as you can see, it already gives you a kind of an outline of what you can start writing about. So in the introduction, it says water is an essential component in the human body, comprising approximately 60% of our total body weight. Now, that is a completely correct sentence. I like the sentence. I'm going to press accept. And just like this, your sentence will be added in. Now, from here, of course, it's going to start citing some different articles and gives you some more examples. If you like it, you can, of course, press accept, and AI is going to help you writing your article, or you can just press try again, and it's going to generate something different. As you can see, there we go. Let's say this is over here, this is correct, and I want to have this as well. You want to press accept, and you are good to go yet again. Over here, it also added in a source, which you can view by clicking view over here while hovering over it. Now, let's say you want to then write something that doesn't get suggested. What you then want to type in is, let's say, the amount of water an individual should drink every day is, and then you get stuck. You don't know what to do. You just wait a few seconds. As you can see, it gives you an example, but I don't like this, so I'm going to press try again, yet again. And just like this, it's going to give me some more things and then some more inputs as well as some more sources. Let's say this is great. I'm going to press accept, and that's it. So those are the basic functions. You can do this with every single part over here, and Jenni is going to help you generate your ideas. But that's not even the best part when it comes to Jenni. Of course, it is very helpful in writing research paper, but there's some more that you're going to like. Over here on the left, you've got your library. If you click on this, you can add in different citations and different articles. You can then cite automatically using Jenni AI. And let me show you this. So you can add in something by clicking this plus button over here, where you can upload PDFs, you can import different .bibs, or you can paste in DOIs, which is honestly great. Now, in here, of course, you can do either. So if you have your PDFs, you can upload them in here. If you have bibs or DOIs, just paste them in here, import them to library, and from there, you'll be able to then cite those articles really, really quickly and even read them inside here. So as you can see, I have a random article over here. I can just I have a PDF in here, so I can just open it by clicking open PDF. It's going to open it up, or clicking over here, and I'm going to be able to see it. Now, of course, this isn't very well optimized because I haven't done this really much. I've just put it in here for this example, so I can just click on it as I did, press edit, and you can then edit everything. From different families, from different authors to different DOIs, days, publications, access dates, titles, etc. You can moderate everything, and once you've done it, you want to press save, and that's it. It's going to start updating, and there we go. Now, if you then want to cite something, you simply have to press plus cite over here, and there we go. This means that you've just cited it. Now, as I said, of course, this isn't very well optimized because it's an example, but in your case, it's gonna be. Now, this is what's great about Jenni because it makes citing very easy and basically not too much of a hassle. So over here, you can also make different collections if you want to, or filter them by different characteristics. And favorite them, of course, if you have some favorite citations. But what's also great, and that's the third thing when it comes to Jenni AI, is this AI chat feature over here, which is basically mind-blowing. So if I click on this, it's gonna open up a chat over here on the right, which is an AI assistant. You can ask this AI chat anything, you can add it context, you can basically make it search your library and the web, and it's gonna scroll through your library over here, so through your PDFs, and search the web for some more sources. So let's say I just got stuck and don't know what to write about. So let's just copy this title and type, I am writing an article about, there we go, about the importance of water consumption in adults. I got stuck. I'd like some suggestions on what I should write about under the third heading, and then we're gonna just put that heading in here just to give it some more context. Also give me some sources, and then you want to press send, and over here it's gonna just enter this chat. Jenni's gonna start thinking, and in just a few seconds, it's gonna generate what all you could talk about. Now, as you can see, of course, you don't have to take this word for word. You can take it as an inspiration, and you can then do some more research on this. As you can see, it gave me a lot of stuff to think about over here, and it's actually some good advice. So it also says for further information on the psychological functions of water, you can consult the following sources, and it gave you some relevant sources, as you can see, 2019, 2016, 2010, and they all seem like great sources. If you want to see it, hover over them, and then you'll be able to view them by clicking view, and it's gonna direct you towards this website where this was posted. This one was on PubMed, and then you have some different ones as well. So of course, you can then copy this text, you can paraphrase it if you want to, you can just add it over here by clicking anywhere inside the document you would like to insert it, press add to document, and just like this, it got added in here, and everything is now written. You can then, if you don't like it, you can simply, for example, highlight it, and then you can use some AI commands to paraphrase it, for example, into a more academically correct tone, just like this. And if you like it, you can just replace this section, insert it below, discard it, try again, etc. So basically, this is pretty much it. This is how you can write research papers really quickly and easily without getting stuck in between the process using Jenni AI. And yet again, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment if you would like to check Jenni AI out. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.